What if you could make money online using AI, without experience, without showing your face, and without investing money? In this video, you'll learn one simple and realistic method to start earning with AI today. Welcome to another daily guide video. Today we are focusing on one powerful method, using AI to offer freelance writing services. This method is beginner-friendly, in high demand, and you can start immediately. Let's start with the basic idea. Businesses constantly need content. Think about blog posts, product descriptions, emails, and social media captions. All of this content takes time to create, and that's where you come in. Instead of writing everything yourself, you use AI to generate high-quality content in seconds. Then you edit it, improve it, and deliver it to clients as a paid service. You are not just selling text. You are selling speed, convenience, and results. That's what makes this method powerful. Now let's talk about the tool you will use. The main tool is ChatGPT. With this AI, you can generate content simply by typing a clear instruction. For example, you can ask it to write a blog post, a product description, or an email. Within seconds, you get a complete piece of content. This saves you hours of work. But here is the most important part. You should never copy and paste the text directly. Always read it carefully. Fix any mistakes, improve the structure, and make it sound natural. Adding a human touch is what makes your work valuable. Next, let's talk about where to find clients. You can go to freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. These websites are full of people looking for content writers. Search for services like blog writing, SEO articles, or product descriptions. You will see that many people are already making money doing this. Now create your own profile. Offer a simple service, like writing a short blog post or product description. Keep your pricing competitive at the beginning to attract your first clients. Once you complete a few jobs and get good reviews, you can increase your prices. Now let's talk about how you actually make money with this. Imagine you charge $20 for a short article. Using AI, you can complete that article in about 10 to 15 minutes. This means you can complete multiple orders in 1 hour. As you get better and faster, you can charge higher prices. Many freelancers eventually charge $50 or even $100 per project. Some people turn this into a full-time income. Now here are a few important tips to help you succeed. Always proofread your content before sending it. Make sure it is clear, correct, and easy to read. Try to focus on one niche. For example, fitness, technology, or travel. This helps you stand out and attract better clients. Communicate clearly with your clients. Ask questions if needed and deliver your work on time. And most importantly, stay consistent. The more you practice, the better and faster you will become. So to summarize, you are using AI to generate content, improving it, and selling it as a service. It is simple, beginner-friendly, and does not require any upfront investment. This is one of the easiest ways to start making money online with AI today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content about AI and making money online. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.